Hello! In the previous session, we covered how to delete an old class and create a new one. This time, we will take a look at class enrollment from a student perspective. As a student, you will receive an invitation along with an email notifying you that a new role has been assigned to you. This is a basic informational email that outlines the role you have been granted. To start using your new role, log into the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, and in your notifications you will be able to see who enrolled you and to which class. With the assigned 3D designer for education role, you gain access to a browser-based XApps. Additionally, your professor has assigned roles such as 3D swimmer and collaborative industry innovator, and you will have access to a broader set of applications available in the Compass. To view all specific apps to a role, simply select the desired role. For example, 3D designer for education. This will filter the available applications to only these that are included within that role. To open an application, just click on it and it will launch automatically. For educational purposes, tracking your tasks is straightforward. In the blue ribbon, you will find the collaborative tasks button, and once clicked, you can view your tasks organized into to-do, in work and completed categories. These statuses provide a clear overview of your progress throughout the curriculum. So, now you know how to get started with your new role on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform.